Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually hidden gems. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is actually a fragrance that I unboxed, reviewed about 5 years ago, and it was so good that I had to go and get it again. The reason is because it's not very easy to find. I sold the bottle again for peanuts. We established that I am stupid, yes, and since then I've been chasing to get one, and eventually I found a website that they sell it for a good price. This one retails for £85, but if you do your research and be patient, because as I said, this is not a easy fragrance to find, but when you find it, wow, what a fragrance. So this one, it's got a huge name. Sorry, you have to bear with me because it's a massive name. So it's called Princess Marina De Bourbon Paris. So this is a Parisian, a French brand, and they are actually a brand that make superbly good fragrances. I wouldn't say reasonable, they are, you know, medium price, but for the price you pay, they make beautiful fragrances. The bottles are ridiculously gorgeous. So everything about them is top notch, but they don't get that much mention because they are shadowed by so many other big brands. Anyway, so this is one of the reasons I bring these things, these underrated brands, unknown brands to your attention, because they deserve look, they deserve attention, and this brand, this house, definitely is one of them. So this one is Princess Marina de Bourbon Paris, and this particular fragrance is called Monsieur le Prince, Monsieur le Prince Intense Eau de Parfum pour Homme, and this is 100 ml and Eau de Parfum. So as you can see, the box is a very cute box. Simple but nice design to it. For some reason this house, I think they are a house, because when I looked at their website, they didn't look that they get their fragrances from other places. They make it themselves, or at least this is how it looks. So this brand, or this house, they are the attention to detail is superb. For some reason they pay attention, very much attention to their presentation and also the quality and everything else. Okay, so let's go with the unboxing. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, or entertaining, you know what to do. Please hit those buttons. This way you encourage me, you motivate me, you know, make me make videos like this in future, and I'll be appreciative of your support. Thank you very much. Let's go. Sorry about the noise. So as I said, attention to detail is superb in this brand. So that's the crown for Princess Marina. And look at the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous. Just for the bottle itself, you know, I had to go and get it again. Although the juice itself is very fantastically good. So it's very heavy bottle. Attention to details, beautiful, from almost black to very light blue shading, beautiful. And the bottle itself super heavy, super thick. The cap is half a kilo. It's got the crown and also the prince printed on it. And let's go with the atomizer. Fantastic atomizer. Okay, so first impression, first sniff for sorry about that, Princess Marina de Bourbon Paris, Monsieur le Prince, and this is Intense Eau de Parfum 100 ml. And here we go. fantastic. You know what I mean? Because as I said, this one I unboxed and I reviewed 5 years ago, and since then I was chasing it because I sold it afterward, you know, a few months after that. And when I saw it, I bought actually 2 bottles of it because I thought, no, I had to get not only a 1 bottle but a backup bottle for it, and for a good reason. The smell is fantastic. So yes, it's very close to Creed Aventis, but it's got its own twist, and the twist is here is actually brighter and fruitier than Creed Aventis. So imagine Creed Aventis, the fruitier batch, but brighter. So that's making it superbly juicy, inviting, very easygoing, very uncaring, very almost, you know, no-brainer. Beautiful. Right now I'm getting all the fruits plus the birch. The birch is quite bigger right now. Yeah, and the patchouli giving a tiny bit of earthiness. Vanilla is there. So again, Creed Aventis 90% here, but the twist is brighter and fruitier. So somehow they made it brighter, and that is the strength of this fragrance. Is absolutely gorgeous. At least for my taste. Okay, so you know, I love Creed Aventis DNA, and this one is one of the best you can get in the market. In terms of performance, it's not a huge performer, it's not a beast, but it's a good performer. I remember the first one I had it lasted me around 8 hours, but I'm not sure with the newer version, so it might be reformulated, but I'll let you know in the next video the development, the longevity, projection, things like that. But for right now, it seems the same juice to me. Yeah, beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The opening is so gorgeous, and also again, good quality, no harshness, no, it's quite round, it's quite well blended, it's beautiful and it's perfect. I love it to bits. Same as you know, when I did it 5 years ago. Came out in 2015, this guy, and one of the best out there. Even if you forget Creed Aventis, just for the smell is on its own, goodness me, what a fragrance. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. Hit those buttons, and also if you are interested to purchase one of my own fragrances, yes, my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself, I make them myself, nobody else is involved, from scratch to what you get yourself, and they are out of this world. They are beautiful, they are very artistic, very unusual, very artistic, very unique, but you need to live in the United Kingdom to be able to purchase them. I'll leave them in the description. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.